Golden pear, $3.25. So here is the seafood section. So the red color tags are the discounted price. This is the rice section. There's actually quite a number of discounted items for rice. Wow, at least 10 right here. Last time I came here, I remember there weren't so many discounted items. But one thing I noted in this Sheng Siong, it doesn't have the full range of items. There's even the ice cream section, magnolia, durian, ice cream waffle. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the newly launched Sheng Siong supermarket right here in Orchard. Nearest MRT station will be Prada Singapore. I noted that there are automated self-checkout machines, and this store has been open for like a few months. So I'm here to check out if there's anything different from the launch date. Back then, I think in July this year. Wow. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the newly opened Sheng Siong outlet right here at the Cathay Prada Singapore. There's self-automated checkout machines, and I'm here to see if there's anything new or changes since the opening. So let's explore. Wow, one thing for sure, there are lots of chocolates here. Then lots of discounted items, they're red color tags. Golden pear, $3.25. That Peru blueberry must be a hot seller. There are only 3 packets left. $3.99. And now it's like for 2 box $3.99. Usual price is $2.99 per box. But one thing about this Sheng Siong I don't really like is a narrow walkway. Here's like enough space for 2 people, just comfortably. If we have 3 people, then it may be kind of squeezy and congested, and look at that. That's what I mean. Guess what you guys should buy? A chili sauce or tomato sauce, at least 1 bottle, and keep in your hotel even if you are a traveler, because yeah, you may need it during your supper if you are staying in the hotel and you order some food back late at night, because normally the store doesn't give a lot of chili sauce, only 1 or 2 packets when you take away. The thing about Sheng Siong, the good thing is they have a lot of variety of different kind of food. For example, here is the Maggi Mee instant noodles. By the way, cup noodles Singapore Nissin is one of the local favorites. You can try this, and they not only have that, they have so many other types. It's like the whole stretch of the items here are all the Maggi Mee. They even from the Thai, the Mama cup, the shrimp tom yum. Wow. But one thing I noted in this Sheng Siong, it doesn't have the full range of items like other Sheng Siong outlets. Like like the other outlets, right? They have like the bags, even t-shirts, cooking stuff. Here doesn't have. They only have food only, and drinks and snacks. As well, there's a seafood section. Let's go explore. So here is the seafood section. It's quite small, but it's expected because this area is small, the rental is expensive. Wow. My guess is that the rental per month here is easily over 10,000 Singapore dollars a month because of its prime location. So given the small narrow space, it's best not to use a trolley. I don't think there's a trolley. Let's go check out. No, there are only the green color basket. There are no trolley here. So yeah, diners, I mean the shoppers know that. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. You know, Singapore relies a lot of its food from overseas to import, even the fruits and vegetables and meat. And look at all these, they're the green from China. Do I just see a duck on the wheels? Hey, can somebody tell me, is there a balloon or something? Does it a real kind of benefit or the usage for it? And there's a grab and go section where you can like try the microwave noodles and like char kway teow, Hokkaido ramen, pad thai noodles and chili crab. let's say for this chili crab, right? And then put in the microwave. And not only that, they can give you the cutlery, big cutlery, spoon, and the fork, and even the knife, plastic knife, and the tissue is here. I just came out of the Sheng Siong. There are some restaurants, Wingstop, Yoshinoya, and there's an open space for people to sit, relax, and chill out.